still at it. And I still hurt. I am here to answer, I think it's Mary Smith? Marie Smith? Mary Smith, yeah, sorry. She wants to know, how do you sign Waterfall? It's a 2-part sign. Water. You take a W with your dominant hand, of course, a W, and you put it the pointer finger up to your chin. You can tap it a couple of times. Water. Water. You know, like, I want water. Water is good. Meow's underneath me making noise. So water, and then you turn that same hand into wiggly fingers and make it fall away from your face. Fall. Water, fall. You can do it with 2 hands. Water, fall, to make it like more dramatic and pretty. But 1 hand is good. Whatever. Waterfall. My goodness, Meow. So distractive. Distractive? Is that a word? Distracting? Distracting. So distracting. Question myself a lot. Let's do another one. I can't do another one. I'm too distracted. Okay, we're done. Bye. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do so right meow. And if you'd like to see more ASL videos, click here. But if you want to see other videos, click here. Meow.